students, we'll be starting with our chapter 6, that is unit 3. The reason to go on unit 3 is first two units are interlinked with mathematics and operations of mathematics. So before that we'll complete the theory part of this subject, and then we'll be moving on to all the algorithms and the mathematical operations which are related to game programming. So the chapter 6 name is Introduction to Rendering Engines. So moving on, first understanding the current market engine. So what are the current market engines? We'll be seeing one by one. The understanding the current market rendering engines, the first one is 3D Light. 3D Light is what? We'll check that. 3D Light is a 3D rendering program that is intended for most extreme similarity with industry benchmarks, as it utilizes RenderMan shading language. Its reconciliation into real 3D modeling solutions like Maya makes it well known alternate for feature for film impacts. So what is 3D Light? 3D Light is a 3D rendering programming, that is 3D module created in such a more extreme level of similarity with the industry benchmarks, that is it is used in the industries as well, and it uses RenderMan shading language, that is a language which is being used for it, and its reconciliation is into real 3D modeling solutions like Maya. Maya is one of it which is named. Then in Maya, client can pick up various rendering calculations, and they can calculate the rendering calculations, that they can check the moduling what is done and path following, giving filmmakers more noteworthy adaptability. Films are made, 3D module films are made on this type of engines, rendering engine. Then as it is not out of the ordinary, this 3D rendering software supports physically based materials and measures, incorporate OpenEXR and OpenWDB concept, as well as what it does is, for single clients 3D Light is free. For single client, if they want to work, it is free of cost, it does not make any charges. Next is 3D Light is an extraordinary 3D rendering software. It's a 3D rendering software enhancement, since it coordinates with very different projects. It can be combined with different projects as well. So it's a different program. Next is Aerion. Now Aerion is unbiased 3D rendering. It is not compatible, it is unbiased, it's not familiar with anybody. Now programming that permits rendering light sources independently for finished adaptability after creation. To give a finished touch to the 3D models, Aerion is used. It delivers the result at high speed. It delivers the results in a very quick speed format, as well as of its help both CPU and GPU based rendering. So it can be done for both CPU as well as GPU based rendering. Notwithstand, the GPU mode requires perfect hardware by NVIDIA. So in GPU, if they are working with Aerion, then it requires perfect hardware. It does not only work with any of the hardware. So for practical skins, Aerion highlights subsurface scrambling. So Aerion helps for highlighting the skin levels of 3D modules, as well as both physical and exceptional configurable. So exceptional physical changes and the configurable changes both are done. Then both sun and sky simulation are additionally physically based. So both here they can do both sun and sky simulation as well in Aerion. To add to the authenticity, physical focal point impacts like ISO, f-stop, film, move can be utilized as a part of this 3D rendering program. So what can be done is ISO, f-stop, film, all these things can be done with Aerion. Next is the Arnold. Now Arnold is a quick CPU based ray tracing renderer, and that was created for VFX Studio server. It was created for VFX Studio Sony Pictures Image Works, and it is prepared to do continuous rendering, ongoing rendering, and implying that when you do changes amid the rendering, they are instantly incorporated into ongoing computations. So what is done is Arnold is equipped CPU based technique for tracing the rendering process, and which was created for VFX Studio Sony Picture Image Works, and it is prepared for doing continuous rendering, implying, so if in between any changes are made, they are instantly changed into the or incorporated into the continuous computation process. This thus accelerates the procedure to build up desired look. So desired look, whatever is there, is done quickly and fastly. Numerous presets are accessible out of the case, and extra nodes are composed by dynamic client network. So here numerous presets are accessible. Preset values are there for this to be accessible for creating nodes, extra nodes for dynamic client network. Dynamic means newly, keeping on changing network they can be used. Variety of highlight makes Arnold extraordinary. So it is giving you an highlighted process, so it's an extraordinary thing. Next is Atlantis. Atlantis is a 3D rendering software that has been produced with an eye on the necessity of planners and fashioners. So the people who design it, for them it is being made, and for the materials inside Atlantis are physically situated so as to accomplish photorealistic comes out. So to give a photorealistic view, that is actually looking like a photo, if they want to create that view, they use Atlantis. Likewise, among the propelled shaders are brilliant materials that broaden the scope of convincible outcome scenes that can be lit, so that the outcome should be convincible by the user using it. That is the reason Atlantis is used. Next is Claris. Claris is, despite the fact that not of 3D rendering software, Claris would already be able to demonstrate various blockbuster credits for itself. So it has its own technique similar to the new Star Wars films, like normal your gaming films and everything, Star Wars films in the Hollywood. The explanation behind this achievement, Claris, is that it isn't just a quick 3D rendering software, yet it additionally urges specialists to set up their scenes. So you require some specialist also to set up that full scene in the blockbuster things, and as well as cleverly and cost successfully. So it requires proper cost investing as well as clear investments in the process. So the rendering capacities of Claris are exceptionally best in class. So it's giving you an output which is best in class, as well as it encourages the reconciliation of rendered pictures. Next is Corona. Corona is an unbiased photorealistic 3D renderer, and that has turned out to be the mainstream because of the convenience. And following the saying that toning is done would be the best, Corona offers a less jumbled up UI. So user interface, a less jumbled user interface is being provided by Corona to chop down setup times, to chop down in less period of time you can complete such processes, as well as in less periodic time you can give a lot of output, as well as wonders that require much processing power like caustics can be debilated specifically, so that in addition materials can be made that curve to the imaginative visions, not physically. So to create an imaginative vision we can be using Corona as a technique, as well as 3D refracted and reflected value can be alternate shading way for Corona. Next is Felix Render. Felix Render is cloud computing 3D rendering software. Here cloud computing comes into picture. It frees experts who do not have the assets from the limitations of their equipment by giving an interface that permits simple transfer of scene records. So it gives you an permission to do screen recordings of the virtual reality images, as well as it gives you the renders are done rapidly as lightning and are prepared for download. So such recordings can be downloaded as well. For security, all transferred records of 256-bit encoded, so it are encoded in 256-bit code. In the engine it use Maxwell Render. Now Felix Render uses Maxwell Render, an unbiased top-notch 3D rendering software. It takes the help of Maxwell Render 3D rendering software. Furthermore, Felix Render gives informal community highlights like sharing of scenes, materials, resources with partners. So what is extra feature is given is it gives sharing of scenes, materials, resources with the partners, etc. Next is furry ball. So eighth one is furry ball. Another very fascinating biased and unbiased both GPU renderer is furry ball, is called furry ball. It presents you a live dynamic review. Live dynamic review programming is done by furry ball. As well as this implies you do not have to wait for conclusive renders to see after effects of your progression. To check the effects we do not have to wait. It's an ongoing progression, taking into consideration a significantly speedier work process. It's a speedier work process. Now it can work for, hence 3D rendering software likewise accessible as a module for Maya, Cinema 4D and 3ds Max. The plugin likewise Blaster all the uncommon segments outsider modules of the principal programs control particles, liquids and hair, for example shave and a haircut. So all these animated things are done by furry ball. In the event that you need to test drive this 3D rendering software, download free from the incorporates 20 hours of rendering. So you can just free download this software for checking the actual functionality. Next is Gorilla Render. Gorilla Render is an unbiased 3D rendering software that as of now has many element movies to its names. So there are many movies which are being developed with Gorilla Render, as well as on account of physically based rendering, it is anything but difficult to deliver photorealistic stills and arrangement. So here photorealistic skills are very less here, as well as render is exceedingly adaptable, taking into consideration example lightning in particular AOVs. Moreover, the program offers full OpenEXCR Blaster, which encourages the compositing stage by choosing layers. Now here everything is under based rendering only. It uses OpenEXCR Blaster for encouraging the choosing the layers of the and protects the last rendered picture record. To check the recording in a last layer stage is done by Gorilla Render. Next is iRay. iRay is again one of the GPU renderer and software created by NVIDIA, and innovations are made in this. iRay is adapted at any individual who does not have a master information in rendering. So iRay is done or prepared by people who do not have an idea about proper rendering process. Consequently, this 3D rendering software is appropriate for creators who require constant outcomes in photorealistic quality at a sensible cost. So in a very less cost or in a very convenient cost, if they require a photorealistic effect, they can go for 3D rendering with iRay software. Then albeit produced for constant use situations, 3D rendering software brings a large number of highlights you would anticipate from a CPU solution. So you can use a CPU solution here, like instancing at that particular point, changing the values, caustics, subsurface dissipating or volumetrics. So all these procedures can be done using iRay. Next is KeyShot. KeyShot is a 3D rendering software like no other on this list. So it is very different from all these softwares. It does not tie in with 3D display solutions. Rather, it is unaltered independent solution that goes on most easy to use rendering process. So this is the most easiest and very easily accessible software. The element of KeyShot enables you to work considerably quicker than numerous different solutions. So it's quicker and faster as well. The usability and ongoing rendering makes it 3D rendering software magnificent decision for designers and modelers. So it is used by designers as well as modelers who need to feature their work without sitting idle learning. So who want to learn actually the rendering process can work on the KeyShot software. Last one is the Blender. Now Blender is effortlessly the most adaptable and entry on this rundown, and is in numerous respects it thinks about positively top digital content creation tools like Maya, Cinema 4D, 3ds Max. So these are the functions, or these are the actual organizations on which the Blender software is working. As well as Blender is completely included, offering a total scope of displaying. Now what are the features of Blender? See, displaying, chiseling, activity, surfacing, painting and rendering apparatus. So all these things are done by the Blender software. The product is adequate to have created various great shots of movies. So this product can be used for very different amount of great shots in the movies for 3D modules. And Blender was scrutinized right off the bat for having a befundling interface. It has a very different 3D scope interface, as well as, however, do not give absolute protest a chance to control you away. So it will not, people will wish to see it again and again. Likewise, they are giving you that particular type of GUI in the blendering process. Blender has relentlessly cut out a speciality in movement of illustration, and so what they do, they give proper illustrations as well as representations like the Cinema 4D exceeds expectations. So these are the types in which they have given a effortlessly higher expectation for Cinema 4Ds also. So with this topic we will stop here. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.